Last time we lived in the night. Although we both got close together, you feel miles apart inside. Was it something I said or something I did? The words that come out right. Do it right, not to hurt you. Do it right, but I guess that's why they say.
Hi guys,
I am Richard.
and I'm Richard Sa. Welcome to our channel, 2xe TV, your extraordinary easy guitar buddies.
Times 2. Teka, bakit ganito yung OOTD natin ngayon?
Kasi mag-guitar tutorial tayo sa kanta ng Poison, yung Every Rose Has Its Thorn.
Oh, yun yung favorite na kanta, no?
Oh,
Rock
and roll the world. Teka, ba't yung
Bakit?
ano mo, yung bandana mo ay parang kay Monkey Puwing?
Ganun ba?
Oo.
Kakagaling ko lang kasi manggamot eh. Sige, ayusin ko muna.
Yan. Okay lang.
Okay na. Okay, start na tayo. So, yun pong kantang to, no? Yung chords niya madali lang. Basic chords lang talaga. Maliban dun sa C add 9. Pero madali lang po yun. Pakita namin sa inyo. G, C add 9, tapos D, tapos C, tapos E minor. So, yun po yung chords ng buong kanta, no? Yung buong kanta na po yun. So, sa intro niya, dalawang chords lang ginamit. G, tsaka C add 9. So, i-play namin, no? Paano yung intro? Ganito po yun. Tapos, yung verse niya, yung chords niya ay G, C add 9, tapos, ganun din, no? Pultol lang, G, C add 9, tapos sa last stanza may D, tsaka C. So, papakita namin, no? Paano i-play yung verse 1. Ganito po yan. Last time we lived in the night. Although we both got close together, you feel miles apart inside. Was it something I said or something I did? The words that come out right. Do it right, not to hurt you. Do it right, but I guess that's why they say. So, yun po, no? Yun yung pag-play ng verse 1. Tapos, yung sa chorus naman, so, G, C add 9 pa rin. Tapos, may D, tsaka C. So, ganito po yung sa chorus, no? It goes as it goes. Just like every night as it goes. Just like every cowboy who's sad song. Every rose has its. So yun po yung chorus na pag-play sa kanya. Tapos may instrumental na gaya ng sa intro. Ganun pa rin yung chord sa intro, no? G, C, ulitin ng dalawang beses, G, C add 9. Tapos yung verse 2, gaya rin ng verse 1, yung chords. So ganito po yung pag-play sa kanya, no? Listen to a favorite song playing on the radio. The DJ say that you came with easy coming. Easy going, but I wonder, does he know I could ever felt like this? And I know that you'll be here right now. Shouldn't let me down somehow, I guess. So, tapos balik ulit sa chorus, no? Ganito pag-play. It's wrong. cowboy sing sad, sad song. Every rose has its thorn. Tapos magbi-bridge, no? Iba na yung chord sa bridge, pero same chords pa rin, pero iba na yung pattern, no? So yung chords niya ay E minor, tapos D, tapos C, tapos G. So, ganito po yung pag-play sa kanya, no? Though it's been a while now, I can still feel so much pain. Like a knife that got you, the wound healed, but the scar, that scar remains. Tapos yung verse 3, yun po yung parang may nag-stop, no? Dalawang up, down, tapos stop. So, parang ganito po, no? Oh, I could see what love at 95, know what to say. Instead of making love, we both made a separate ways. And then, tapos yung, ano no, yung, and now you found someone new that'll make me love you. They hear that filthy up inside gets you like an armadillo. So yun po, no? Yung sa verse 3. Tapos yung sa chorus, ulit lang, no? Yung G, C add 9, yung tulad kanina, yung parang ganito. Rose has its thorn, just like every guy has its thorn, just like every cowboy sing a sad, sad song. Every rose has its turn. So yun po, no? So yun po, yan po, no? Sana may natutunan kayo ngayon. Yung napakagandang kanta nito, no? Slow rock na standard na rin. Every rose has its thorn. O ko lang yung mga bagong yung mga millennials po ngayon kung alam pa itong kantang to, no? Pero sikat na sikat pa siya na kanta dati. Sana may natutunan kayo. Maraming salamat sa panonood sa amin sa channel namin na 2xe TV, Your Extraordinary Body times 2. Subscribe po kayo sa channel namin, and then maraming salamat po.
Like and share
sa
po.
inyo. Like yun pa, like and share nyo po kung nagustuhan nyo yung video namin. Comment po kayo sa video namin na to sa baba kung may request kayo na kanta.
Tagalog at English.
Tagalog at English yun po. Tapos gagawa kami ng video po para sa inyo. Maraming salamat po ulit.
Sana may natutunan kayo sa amin.
Saka God bless po. Stay safe. Bye po.